Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable fast charging settings on Android mobile phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up settings on your mobile device. So you can set this settings and then click. And then next step, then you need to scroll down and find and locate this battery and device care. All right. So you can see this battery and device care and then click. And again here at a device care, so you can see this battery and then click again. And then next step, and then you need to scroll down again and find and locate this charging settings on how to enable this fast charging settings, and then click this settings. And here at charging settings, then we have two options here that show charging informations, and the other one you can see this fast charging. And on right side, so you can see this button and then click. So that means this is already enabled. If you want to disable, so click this button only and disabled or enabled. Alright, and that's it guys on how to enable fast charging settings on Android phone. And thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.